Should I install 64-bit versions of operating systems? With the release of Windows 7 coming up, 64-bit operating systems have caught my attention. What are the main advantages and disadvantages of installing 64-bit Windows 7? What type of compatibility issues will I face, and would I have to install 64-bit software, or will all the applications I have been using in 32-bit operating systems work just the same? Edit. My computer is only 5 months old, so it supports 64-bit operating systems.
Yes, absolutely. I haven't encountered any hardware or program issues. All of your 32-bit applications should work fine. Mine have. Windows 7 has got to have the best hardware support Windows has ever had.
The main advantage is of course more physical memory for the computer. The disadvantage is that applications tend to use slightly more memory due to the implementation of 64-bit architecture. Most people going 64-bit usually upgrade the amount of memory anyway, so this isn't that big of a problem. If you don't multitask that much, it shouldn't affect you either way. The majority of your 32-bit applications should work fine.
Some hardware, especially if it's old, won't work on a 64-bit machine if you can't find drivers for it. Two pieces of hardware I ran into problems with was my Treo and an older HP laser printer I had.
If you're running a new high-end system that you want the following from: ability to run 64-bit applications, ability to address more than 4 GB of RAM, then you should install a 64-bit OS. Really, I don't see these days why there wouldn't be any point installing a 64-bit if the system is new or even newish.